Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Let's go. Sometimes you may come across stubborn apps that simply won't go away. No matter how many times you try to remove them, it can be frustrating. First of all, swipe down from the top just like this. Then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Security and Privacy. Or something like this depending on your device. If this feature is not available in your phone, then go to Apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Now go to Special App Access. Then tap on Device Admin Apps. Now toggle off this Find My Device feature. Tap Deactivate. Once you've done that, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down a bit and tap Apps. Find the app you want to uninstall. If you have an app that doesn't give you the ability to uninstall it, for example, Google Partner Setup, you can only disable it. Now just tap Disable at the bottom left, and then tap Disable App. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.